What's going on, community of the YouTube channel? You guys are about to witness another banger video. So today, what we got going on is some parts that I ordered up for the Mustang. We're going to be installing Starlights on this beauty. I think it's going to look good. That's the whole plan. You know, I got to bring you guys some content, and so I decided to order some Starlights. I used to have them in my old truck, and you know, it was alright. You know, they weren't the best. You know, just getting the hang of it. You know, I thought it was going to look cool and whatnot. So yeah, ordered that. So yeah, I got them for the Mustang, and I think they're going to look pretty cool in the Mustang, actually. They do twinkle, which is nice. Hey, let me get you guys a little footage of these. Oh, right there. Oh, footage. 390 pieces. And there's a little box. Yeah, we're going to go right into there. I think it's going to look amazing. You guys bear with me here while we go on a little install trip, if you guys know what I'm saying. It's going to be fun. It's not going to be fun. Anything to do with working on cars is never fun. Just takes time. That's about it. I'll be the one behind all this work for today, while the older brother is probably not going to help me, like usual, but it's okay. You know, no hate on him. He does his part. I do my part. That's it. Oh, yeah. Oh, I forgot to say, in case if you guys missed out, I did lower it. If you guys were wondering, I don't have a video of that. You know, she's a little low in the front. In the back, it still sits up a little high. These are the what are they? They are drag springs. They're not lowering springs. They're drag springs. I don't know if I will be dragging this car, but who knows? I might not. I don't know. Only time can tell. But you guys bear with me. We'll start this building series, or I don't know what you want to call it. Build? Built, not bought. So yeah, we're going to consider it a build series. You guys stay with me while we install the Starlights. Alright guys, the first thing that we got to do for this, we gotta take that out.
First explain what between our cord.
I already explained everything. You gotta take that out on both sides. Where the hell is that one? Oh wow, I'll be damned, that one don't got a cover. This one, we gotta take this one out. So hold on while we take that one out. There we go. There's that. Now, I think it's a T20. Let's see. Let me get some light. This is the light that we use right here. iPhone camera, guys. Oh, wow. It's just a pop-out clip. How does that come up? Oh, I'll be good. Oh, there it is. Let's see.
We got a good angle right here.
Where?
Yeah.
Oh! You're gonna need that bolt. You're gonna need that bolt. And I think this. Oh, remember how the hell we did this? I think that pops out. I don't know. We'll figure it out when the time comes. I think it pops out. We'll figure it out. Not right now. I'll take this bolt out. Okay. This side's out. That side's out. Alright. I'm pretty sure this fucking. Oh! We'll bleep that out. This bad boy needs to come out right here, boy. Come on, boy. I want to break it. Oh, wow. There we go. Don't need to take it all the way out. Alright. I already started on this side, but we pulled this panel down. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can figure out how to get this out. One in the middle. Pretty sure it just pops out. Let me tilt this out of the way. So, guys, I don't know if you can see this, but let me get the light out for you guys real quick. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's a little clip right there. That clip needs to be pushed in together and pulled down. Both sides got it's like a spring clip. You gotta push it in and then pull it out, and that comes out. I'll show you guys how that one goes in. Just let me find the right tools real quick.
Okay.
I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'll show you guys when I get it out. There we go. And there's wires on the back side. And I'm gonna figure out how to get out. I don't know if you guys can see this. Let me see. Let me get the camera out. Or the light. But you gotta pop these. There's 5 of them. You gotta pop them back. Then you gotta slide that out. Or you could just unplug it right here. Which I'm gonna do that because that way is easier. So, like so. And here's that. Leave it here so don't lose it. Forget. Now, let's transfer to the other side. Alright, we're gonna do the same steps on this side now. Same steps on this side. Just bring it over to this side. I'll come back for this one. I'll let you guys know when. Got this side out. Now we're gonna pull the pillar down on this side. There we go. Pillar's free. Now, we can get this out. Got that bad boy out. I'm sure we could just slide it in there. Not have to worry about unplugging everything. Oh yeah, we chilling. We chilling. Alright, now, gotta work on the stuff in the back. So let's move these seats forward. Alright guys, we already pulled it down on the back a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Pulled it down in the front, you know, same thing on the other side. Now for this side, just pop the bottom one first. Pop it out of the way. Pop the top one a little bit. Little seat bolt. Seat belt bolt. I think we can work our way out of that. Let me pop this out of the way. Pop that out of the way. I think I'm gonna need to take that bolt out. But hopefully not. Same thing on the other side. Alright. Headliners. Just wiggle it. Everything should come out slowly. I just lost something. But slide that through the hole. Alright, let's figure that out real quick. Some clips you need to unhook. Let me get out of here. I can't work like that. God damn. Tight fit for a big man, guys. Let me do that. Do that to the other side. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. A lot of work for a tall man. right now, just pulling the wires off the glue because it's glued in. So basically about ready to come out. There's some, two wires on that, one wire on that side that I need to pull out. So I pull that out, should be good to go. Let me just get it right here real quick. This shit's coming off.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, what you doing? Moonlights, whatever it's called, sunlights? Starlights. All starlights.
Yep.
What's good, Colin?
Yo, how's your day today?
I don't want to talk about the game, bro.
Finally got it out.
Got the headliner out?
4.
We'll set it right here for now.
A little before.
Might clean it up a little bit since I already got it out.
Yeah.
But this is how the Mustang's looking right now. A few wires just hanging around. You know what? They're just glued on. Just make sure you guys get them on right when you guys put them back on. So what's going on here is we're cutting off the axis of the strands, and yeah, you know, just time consuming, takes too much time, especially if you're just one guy that's doing it while everyone else is just watching and laughing at you, because that's what a big brother does. He'll just sit back and laugh, hold the camera. That's about it. You know, here's a little room to it right there. You know what I'm saying? You can see the Mustang flag in the background. Yep, there's still me cutting the axis off. So 11:30. You guys.
Wow.
We've been at this since 6 o'clock.
Bro, I've been up since 6 in the morning.
Give us about another hour and a half to get this shit back installed. And he got nothing else better to do though. It's a fucking Saturday night in a bummy ass town.
That was me laugh.
So here we go, trying to get this shit. I don't even know how the hell I got it out.
I'm just here for more support, you feel me?
Huh?
I'm just here for more support. I can't even say shit.
Yeah.
Hey, real talk though.
What's up?
I forgot to say, if we end up getting 150 likes, I might have to do to the bands.
Oh.
I'm gonna just say it like that.
Oh, that's how
drop
you
them
feeling?
likes.
Here we go, installing the headliner back in. Just give it a little bit of time and we'll have it in, you know, speed it up a little bit so you guys don't have to be boarded up. Alright, that'll do. Bear with me. Bear with me, guys. Alright guys, so let me give you guys a little walk around on what's going on. We got these back on. T15, going back over there. They go back over there, they go right into here. They're all wrapped up in there. And I got the module in there too. And then a wire right there. Where is it? Right there. Coming out right behind the back seat. It goes right into there. Got that right there. Plug in there. Basically golden. Push that back up. You know. Just make sure the seals are sitting right. Don't want them not sitting right. Besides that, I think we're going to be signing out right now. So, 150 likes. We'll do it to my brother's car. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know down below what we should do next. We're just, winging it as of now. So, please, if you guys got any feed, information, or input, information, anything you guys recommend us to try or do. We will try our best to do it for you guys. For the YouTube guys, for the Double Trouble. You know what I'm saying? But I think that should be it for us. So we're signing out.